Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a foam glider. To begin, gather your essential materials. You will need a sheet of foam board, ideally about 1/8 inch thick, which is perfect for lightweight flight. Also, grab a sharp craft knife, a ruler for precise measurements, and a cutting mat to protect your work surface. Don't forget a strong adhesive, like hot glue, and some fine grit sandpaper for finishing touches. Now, let's move on to cutting and shaping your foam pieces. Carefully cut the main body of your glider, making it about 10 inches long and 2 inches wide. Next, create two wing pieces, each approximately 6 inches long with a 2-inch cord. For the tail, fashion a fin roughly 3 inches long and 1.5 inches high. Remember to gently sand all cut edges to ensure a smooth, aerodynamic finish for better flight performance. With your pieces cut, it's time to assemble your glider. First, attach the wings securely to the main body, positioning them about 2 inches from the front. It's crucial that the wings are perfectly level and symmetrical on both sides for stable flight. Next, glue the tail fin vertically to the rear of the glider's body. Take your time and allow all the adhesive to dry completely, which usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, ensuring a strong bond. Finally, let's balance and test your new foam glider. Find the glider's center of gravity, which is typically about 1/3 back from the wing's leading edge. If your glider is tail-heavy, add small weights, like a tiny piece of tape or clay, to the nose until it balances. Then, perform gentle test throws in an open area. Observe its flight path and make minor adjustments to the wings or tail for optimal performance and a smooth, graceful flight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.